Summer beef bolognese. It's gonna look like that. Recipe calls for 20 minutes. Check out these plates. These plates look good. Let me focus in. There you go. So it's sort of like spaghetti and lasagna all mashed up. Gonna give it a shot and let you know how it went. The meal was awesome. It was exactly like a smashed up lasagna or sort of a weird spaghetti. Like the pasta looked like lasagna, but was very slim, about a centimeter or a third of an inch wide, and it was very long. So basically the meal was very good. We recommend it. So don't forget Magic Phil 76, looking for subscriber number 76, and once he gets that, it's going to be a contest and he's going to give something away. So give that meal a try. Yumm.ca. So far it's a winner. For about 40 bucks, it's a winner. See you on the flip side.
Is that magic? It's Magic Phil.